Good morning, this is your cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin update as of Wednesday, November 25th. So hopping right on over here, we do have Bitcoin up 8% on the week, Ethereum up 23% on the week, XRP 126%. XRP has kind of stagnated, similar to Ethereum and Bitcoin. Not likely we're going to be seeing too much movement there in the short term, because much of the gainers are now in more alternative coins. So we are entering an altcoin season. So keep that in mind. Bitcoin dominance by market cap. We did notice this fall quite a bit from 67% to 62%, which corresponds to a rise in the altcoins usage because money is flowing from Bitcoin to other coins such as Ethereum and XRP. We're now seeing more of that money flowing to smaller cap coins, so keep an eye out on those ones. In terms of Bitcoin treasuries, the amount of publicly traded companies' money and treasury value stored in Bitcoin, we don't see too much of a shift, still around 842,000 Bitcoin, or about 4% of the total quantity of Bitcoin. In terms of our stock to flow model, Bitcoin is still under the fair value, but is pretty close. As you can see here, we're currently at around 19K for Bitcoin, and a fair value would be around 23, almost 24. So we're catching up, but we're not quite there yet. So there's still some positive upside. On Bitcoin charts, we do see a huge amount of interest in selling Bitcoin at above the old all-time highs, which was around 19,600. So this could slow down the growth of Bitcoin and potentially signal a pullback coming soon. On Bitcoin trends to see retail adoption, we are seeing a relative high. So there has not been this much interest in Bitcoin for the general population this year. And if we look back, we do keep an eye on this chart just because it was a good indicator last time of the Bitcoin bull run that the peak was happening when retail was getting involved. So that would be a good signal that it's time to start taking some profits and moving to safer investments that are less risky. Here we are at about 21, 22 search interest volume, which we don't typically see much, about a quarter of what that peak value was. But again, before the major bull run happened, 21, 22 was pretty high. And we didn't really see that until essentially the run had started. So keep that in mind, that we might be seeing either a major pullback or an explosion of interest in Bitcoin. Over on to Juicy NFTs to track our NFT volume. 24-hour NFT volume is down quite a bit over the past day and couple of days. We do still have Axie and Rarible up at the top. Rarible NFT interest has gone down quite a bit. They're usually up around 50 to 100K per day. Axie, pretty standard. Over on DeFi Pulse, we do see $14.3 billion of value locked in decentralized finance, with Maker up at the top. Uniswap being the top decentralized exchange, or DEX, was at peak around 3 billion supply, but once their Uni tokens and rewards for staking and offering liquidity to the system dried up, everyone kind of rushed away from Uniswap. But we do still see our overall uptrend of a lot of money going into decentralized finance. So this is one to keep our eyes on in the future. Lastly, on our pandemic's coronavirus dashboard, we do see another 250,000 confirmed cases as of Monday. We're up to 12,250,000. And sometimes it's hard to kind of reconcile this, but each one of these numbers is a person. So our hearts go out to everyone who is affected. We do see the entire country red, which is not a good thing. We want to see the entire country green, and everyone is kind of struggling with this right now. Over on the chart, you do see us starting to go parabolic, slowly starting to taper off, so hopefully that trend continues. Experts are predicting that the holiday season and family gatherings are going to be major super spreader events. So if you are going to see family for the holidays, please take care and stay safe. So that's pretty much it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and follow. If you're going to subscribe, hit subscribe, bell button, notifications, all, so that YouTube lets you know about this content. Some of it is time sensitive because I report the news daily for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies so that you have the most up-to-date information whenever you need it. I also post regularly on other social media platforms, so check those out for regular updates as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this informative at all, please do like and subscribe. It would really help out my channel and page, and I'd greatly appreciate it. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you next time.